Hey friends, happy Monday. I hope you've all had an amazing weekend and are excited about this new week. Last week, I had the opportunity to travel to Sun Valley, Idaho and spend some time with Mark Pattison. Mark was our keynote speaker at our convention this past February, and he's known as the first NFL player to climb the 7 summits, the tallest mountain in each of the 7 continents. It took him 10 years to do it, and he finished with Everest in May of 2021. NFL Films actually made a documentary about Mark's ascent of Mount Everest called Searching for the Summit, and that documentary just won an Emmy, which is pretty amazing. I've dropped the link to that documentary in the message portion of this video for any of you who haven't seen it yet. So needless to say, it was a cool experience to be able to spend some time with Mark in his current hometown of Sun Valley, Idaho. There's something that I observed that I want to share with you. We checked into a hotel late the first day, and I was planning on meeting Mark the following day, a little bit before lunch. So I woke up early, I found a gym that I could go work out at, which was a YMCA just there in town, and I pulled into the parking lot right at 6 a.m. when it opened, and who do I see? Mark Pattison, walking up to the front doors of the YMCA, and he was dressed in hiking gear because he had already hiked one of the nearby mountains an hour before the gym opened, and he still beat me to the gym. He worked out for another 45 minutes or so before heading home to get ready for the day. So we met up a little bit later for the first time at his house, and he showed me around as well as made me his 7 Summit smoothie, which is what he starts his day with every day, something that we'll share with you guys pretty soon. But I really enjoyed being able to see a part of his routine without him knowing that I was watching. And it made me think, if someone were to observe you throughout the day without you knowing, what would they see? Would they be able to identify what your goals are, what you're passionate about, or what you value? And do you still have the same drive and sense of purpose when no one is looking? Or do you just turn on when you know that people are watching? As Mark says, success leaves clues. His morning routine may seem extraordinary, but to him, it's ordinary. It's just what he does. People who are highly successful do the common things uncommonly well. They do the simple things, but pay close attention to detail, and they are very consistent. And we should all strive to do the same. So my challenge for you this week is to focus on the simple things, pay attention to detail, and answer the question, what would someone see if they simply observed me throughout the day? Have a great week.